NRIs, make sure you don't skip this video. We all have been hearing about the rising cases of Indians getting lost or dying abroad. Like every few weeks, it feels like there's another story, and every time I read something like this, it hits me differently. And this isn't just a random chatter. So, according to the Indian Ministry of External Affairs, in the past 5 years, more than 600 Indian students have died abroad, and out of that, 108 deaths were reported in the United States alone. I'm not sharing this to create fear or negativity. I'm sharing this because it reminded me of something important. Life is unpredictable no matter where we live. And what I feel is we rarely stop to ask, if something unexpected happens to me, will my family know how to handle everything? Would they know about all your bank accounts in India and abroad, or your investments, retirement funds, insurance policy, loans, and login details? See, your absence would already be emotionally devastating for them, and in such situation, you would never want them to feel financially lost too. So here's what you should do. Listen carefully. Take some time to sort all your important data and login details in one organized and secure place. That includes your bank accounts, investment accounts, retirement funds, insurance policies, loan details, and important document access. You can use a password protected Excel sheet, a secure password manager, or even a physical diary kept safely. There's no perfect method, just make sure it's clear, structured, and updated. And don't just list passwords, write small details and explanations: what the account is for, approximately how much is there in that account, how it can be accessed, and whom to contact if needed. Keep everything secure, but make sure at least one trusted person knows how to access it in an emergency. Also, consider making a legal will, especially if you have assets in more than one country. A will ensures your assets are distributed according to your wishes and reduces legal complications for your family. And if your spouse is on a dependent visa, have an open conversation. What happens to their visa status if you are not there? What immediate steps should they take? How will they access the fund? Who should they reach out to first? These aren't easy conversations, but they are responsible ones. We cannot control everything in life, but we can prepare for what we can. Share it with someone and make them aware. And make sure to follow.